Looking at the history, trying to treat my wallet right. I know what the others pay, I know the market cost. But right now you're the only flame, and I'm out here in the frost. Your coat is a little weather, your edges are a little frayed, but you're standing there so proud, waiting to get paid. You smile because you know it, you see it in my eyes. You've got the only key in town to the place I wanna rise. But it's a test of the will, a test of our pride. Who's gonna break first on this dark, lonely ride? You won't drop a single dime, I won't look away. We're locked in a standoff, baby, day after day. Yeah, you've got what I want, I can't even lie. But the price of your love, Lord, it's just too high. My friends all tell me patience, they say just wait around. Another one will surface, another will be found. But tomorrow ain't a promise, and today you're in my sight. And a man can get so weary, sleeping alone at night. You're holding all the power, sitting on your throne, leaving me with a heavy heart and a dial tone. Are you gonna let it sit there, gathering the dust, trading away a guaranteed thing for a little bit of trust? Or am I gonna lose my mind, throw my cash into the fire, a casualty of history, a victim of desire? But it's a test of the will, a test of our pride. Who's gonna break first on this dark, lonely ride? You won't drop a single dime, I won't look away. We're locked in a standoff, baby, day after day. Yeah, you got what I want, I can't even lie. But the price of your love, Lord, it's just too high. Who's gonna buckle, baby? Is it gonna be you? Is it gonna be me? I'm begging you, lower the bar, or I gotta walk away. I've been searching the archives, baby, late into the night, looking at the history, trying to treat my wallet right. I know what the others pay, I know the market cost. But right now you're the only flame, and I'm out here in the frost. Your coat is a little weathered, your edges are a little frayed, but you're standing there so proud, waiting to get paid. You smile because you know it, you see it in my eyes. You got the only key in town to the place I wanna gonna rise. But it's a test of the will, a test of our pride. Who's gonna break first on this dark, lonely ride? You won't drop a single dime, I won't look away. We're locked in a standoff, baby, day after day. Yeah, you got what I want, I can't even lie. But the price of your love, Lord, it's just too high. My friends all tell me patience, they say just wait around. Another one will surface, another will be found. But tomorrow ain't a promise, and today you're in my sight. And a man can get so weary, sleeping alone at night. You're holding all the power, sitting on your throne, leaving me with a heavy heart and a dial tone. Are you gonna let it sit there, gathering the dust, trading away a guaranteed thing for a little bit of trust? Or am I gonna lose my mind, throw my cash into the fire, a casualty of history, a victim of desire? But it's a test of the will, a test of our pride. Who's gonna break first on this dark, lonely ride? You won't drop a single dime, I won't look away. We're locked in a standoff, baby, day after day. Yeah, you got what I want, I can't even lie. But the price of your love, Lord, is just too high. Who's gonna buckle, baby? Is it gonna be you? Is it gonna be me? I'm begging you, lower the bar.